Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you through Payoneer affiliate program. Ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. I just received an award. It's unbelievable. This is Payoneer. This is my balance, 118 US dollars. We can see in 14 November, I received an award. When I open it, I can see it's a Payoneer award of 25 US dollars. This is the transaction. Ensure you go to all my videos. In the description link, you will find a link on how to find a referral link. This is what happens in Payoneer. When you come here to refer a friend, you'll get my link. This is the official link that I'm talking about. Then you'll just need to copy it. Once you copy it, you'll come to a new tab and you will be able to paste it there. Then you will be able to enter. Once you copy this, you copy here and you are able to enter. You'll be able to sign up. Once you sign up and for free and complete signing up, you'll earn yourself 25 US dollars. And I myself will earn myself 25 US dollars. Another benefit of this service is that once you reach 1,000 US dollars, I will get a reward of 50 US dollars and yourself will get an award of 50 US dollars. Ensure you go in my description link of any video, pick my link and ensure you sign up for free. Ensure in case you have any query, just reach me out through my contacts. This is my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Once you come to any video, then you go to the description link. You just open any video, and upon opening any video, you will be able to go to the description link. On opening the description link, you'll say show more. So we can say this is the URL that you're supposed to use and register, sign up for free. And once you come here you will find my WhatsApp number in the description link. I'll be able to assist you. The services that I normally offer maybe is in case you need to link your PayPal with Payoneer, in case you need to verify your global payment service, in case you need to enable Community Federal Saving Bank, in case you need Bank of America, I'm there to assist you. In case you have any limitation in your PayPal account and want assistance, I'll be able to assist you. In case your cash has been held for PayPal over 180 days, just reach me out through my official Gmail account, njogukarongo@gmail.com, or any new video. In the description link, you'll find my WhatsApp number and I'll be able to assist you. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Lifestyle Tutorials.